What is going on, everybody? This is day 3 of owning a 240. Day 1 was picking it up. Day 2 was pulling the engine out. Day 3, I'm gonna degrease the engine. I bought some gunk engine degreaser. It's the gel. It works better than the foamy stuff, I think. I have some, it's called Red Hot. It's a detailer spray for cleaning cars, the engines, and whatever else. I'm gonna spray that on the bay too. I brought my electric power washer. If that's not strong enough, I have a gas one here, but the corded one is a little bit easier to work with than the gas one. So I'm gonna go ahead, open the door up. I'm also probably gonna wash under the car because I'm gonna undercoat the whole thing in a rust prevention spray so that no surface rust or anything will spread. And any rust that I see, I'm gonna fix it before I coat it, because if you just coat right over it, you're just kind of masking the, the cancer. It's gonna come right back. So you have to fix the rust before you undercoat it. Otherwise, the undercoating is not gonna stick, or it's gonna fall right off when it rusts through. All right, I started to power wash the car. I got the bay completely power washed. It looks freaking phenomenal. Cannot believe it. That gunk got rid of all the oil, all the debris, everything there from this 25-year-old or 23-year-old car. It was nasty. Now it looks like it came off the showroom floor. I'm very impressed, actually. I'm right now power washing the underside because I said I am gonna undercoat it. So I'm gonna get back to power washing right now. Alright, so I got the whole underside power washed out. It looks perfect. I'm very, very, very happy. Now I get to go and do the fun thing of picking out the color. I think I might do a silver with some flake and then do a whole bunch of clear. That way it's easy to clean up in the future. Silver too, it's a light color like Andrew was saying, so if there's a leak on the engine or anything, I can see where it's coming from easily. The problem with the black bay is when you get oil and stuff, you don't really realize it because it's black on black. So I'm gonna go to the store in a little bit, pick out a color, and then I come back and I gotta tape everything up and remove everything that I can get out of the car that I'm not gonna use again, so I can start spraying. You ready to go?
Yeah, buddy. I like that Strictly Sketchy sticker you got on your headlights.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Finish this sticker, I'll be ready.
Alright. So, we're gonna go pick up the RB20. We're going to Indiana. It's about an hour and a half away to go pick it up. Taking John with me. He's a 240 guru of Toledo, and he knows RBs pretty well. So he's gonna go make sure that I'm not gonna get screwed on this deal. So I'm probably gonna record a little bit when I get there.
Their houses.
This literally looks like the place where I went to. They got Amish, I think. Oh, yeah. This literally looks like the place I went to with the 240 down south in Ohio, but it's in Indiana. Again, where's all these fucking 240 guys live in the middle of nowhere? There's some cows over here. It's crazy, dude.
Those are little calves.
They got babies. We got a horse and buggy. It's a little windy out, so the audio is probably shit, but me and John just got the Skyline motor. I'm a proud owner of a Nissan Skyline engine only. But you can see here, this is the motor. It's a little hard to see, my fucking truck is huge, but it's all there. I got that, I got the drive shaft, the trans, and the ECU, and the S14 wiring harness. So I'm just getting some fuel right now, head back to Toledo, and probably maybe mess around with the 240 tonight or tomorrow. I don't know yet. Gotta get motor mounts now, gotta order them. So it's really all I gotta do before I can bolt this thing in there. Man, what a long day it was. Went to Fort Wayne, Indiana and back. about 4.5 hours, draw it with me. It was awesome drawing it, knowing the people there. So I do believe that it's a good engine. I turned it over, has really good compression, has the upgraded turbo. So this is the engine here. You can see it's in really good shape. So this is the engine here. It's in really good shape. It has the manual trans. Just got it back to the shop inside. The 240 behind it, all cleaned up and ready to go. I'm gonna paint the engine bay before I put the motor in though. So probably tomorrow I'll have to paint the engine bay and get it prepped. In the meantime, I gotta find a place to put the 240 and the engine. Probably just push the 240 outside for the week. And the engine will probably have to just stay in here because it'll be going in this week, hopefully. But all in all, it's a really good day. I'm gonna go out to dinner now with the family, man. Go home and get changed, get ready. And the next video will probably be about painting the bay and prepping it for the RB20 swap. Don't forget, like, subscribe, Big Ugly's YouTube channel.